Vis-à-vis the particular nature of the Dutch market, can you foresee any of this office stock or business park being converted to whatever extent into assets that might fit your requirements?
Yeah, look, the office headline is quite often what people latch onto when you mention the Netherlands. There's no doubt the office space has huge vacancy and huge obsolescence, and it's a big problem. And I think you'll see the vacant buildings eventually getting demolished. What I do not foresee, though, is that they'll be used particularly for logistics, just because the locations are different. You're talking about transport links, business parks, big space, big yards. It's a very different land plot to your regional office centre, which is probably nearer the town centre, etc.
Last year we sold 2 buildings to owner-occupiers, and on the investment market we never would have touched the value, but on the owner-occupier market we quite easily sold it above the book value. So not every asset you can sell off to an owner-occupier, but there is a market for it.
There is a point around more secondary, tertiary assets, light industrial, small to mid-sized warehousing rather than top quartile logistics. And we do quite a lot of those types of sales, and we've advised funds and banks in particular on their exposure to those types of assets. That's a difficult market. It is quite interesting. What's been particularly interesting is we've carried out individual sales of 2, 3, 4, 5 million euro type lot sizes, and also portfolio sales, more strategic kind of platform sales of 50, 100, 150 million euro lot sizes in Western European markets. And it's just coming back to that point, it's quite patchy. In some instances, the portfolio and more strategic play makes sense, and overall you end up with a better position. But there are some reasonably large portfolios in Germany and the Netherlands that we've put on the market, and subsequently found that actually by picking off the adjoining owner or the owner-occupier, or a special purchaser like that, you actually get valuation or better. And in Germany in particular, you can have quite a successful sales program doing that. And I've probably changed my tune from 18 months ago, saying that some individual sales to owner-occupiers is a good strategy, and part of that is the banking system that supports SME and small enterprises, private business enterprises. They will lend, that kind of Landesbank and local German banking system, they will lend to the occupier and give them a corporate loan, which at a much higher kind of loan to value rate, if you like, than if you went to get a mortgage facility for a similar type of product as a business loan to expand their business. And there's a disconnect there, particularly in the German market, and it's an interesting strategy to look at.